Hello, this is a spool for nickel strip or nickel strip spool. This is the second version of the old nickel strip spool. The reason being with the second version over here is a much more robust design and features this spinning spool inside here. So another feature is also in case everything. Same thing with the old nickel strip spool, and however this one you can just pull it with your finger here. Mine's a little sweaty, like that, and there's a little slot over here to put where the sharp edges at, like that. Okay, this one doesn't have any screws, only features clips, and they are symmetrical all over. Everything else you just have to print the way it is, the way it has been oriented. So I'm going to open it and show you guys the inside. Okay, so this is the inside, almost similar to like a connection tape. So this is the little spool with little slot over here. Just hook it up right in the middle over here. Fold the end of the nickel, fold it over like that. Make sure you use a pliers. And then fold it again. Put it all the way inside there, and make a sharp fold like that. And there we have it, like that. Well, everything here is okay so far. Okay, so make sure that you wind it up so that everything is going to be in grip with the spool over here. I am going to redesign the spool, the center spool, or you can just leave out the center spool over here and leave this thing running without any of the spool over here. But then the feature that I wanted to show you, the main feature, will come shortly. Okay, there you have it, done. So the feature what I wanted to show you, first I'm going to wind this backwards. There are two ways about how to use this spool. The version 1, the old nickel strip spool, is basically you have to push it back over here, and that creates a lot of resistance. Also, the walls for that particular spool is under stress when you are going to push this nickel strip inside there. So with this in mind, you just have to wind this thing up and slowly put this backward like this, make it go into the slot over here, and then gently wind this thing back inside. Okay, like that. So basically this one is almost like overwinding. So to pull it, that's why I added this extra gap here, like that. Once again, There you go. Links in the description below, and it is free. Feel free to donate. I highly appreciate that if you are going to donate with this protective design for nickel strip over here, as well as for your safety concern as well. Alongside with my own, I have another strip of nickel, which is I'm going to print another spool over here. Yeah. Thank you for watching.